Virginia Woolf and poetry, no one seemed to notice me. Being young was getting so old. Cheap popping soda cans, life was like a movie set and I seemed to be given no role. But in times of trouble I can turn to my mother and then know that she could understand. So at age 18 I cried to my mother and she told me, young man, but there are moments when you fall to the ground, but you're stronger than you feel you are now. You don't always have to speak so loud. No, just be as you are. Life is not always a comfortable ride. Everybody's got scars that they hide, and everybody plays the fool sometimes. Yeah, just be as you are. 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 Be as you are.